Hello everyone, I am Geeta Khatri and you are watching Learn at Scholar. Welcome back. Let me remind you one thing before beginning the lesson. If you are enjoying these videos, if you are getting what I am explaining and you want to watch the upcoming videos, then what you have to do, you have to press the red button of subscribe. The subscription is totally free. What you have to do, you have to go down, press the red button of subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell and press all so that you can receive all the notification of the uploaded videos in future. So let's begin our lesson, the triangles and its properties, chapter number 6. I have uploaded a few videos related to the fundamentals of this lesson. You can go in the description, the links are given. You have to click on the links and watch those videos before watching this video. And students, the knowledge is interlinked. If the chapters are given in your textbook, they are given in a sequence. If you haven't watched the 5th chapter and you have not solved the problems based on those fundamentals, you will not be able to understand this lesson. Chapter number 5 with short videos is given on this channel. Please go and watch those videos, solve those questions. Then it will be easier for you to understand this lesson. Let us revise the fundamentals. Concentrate on strengthening the base. And bases are the fundamentals or the basics of this lesson. To ace the competitions in future or to solve the questions quickly, you have to understand the fundamentals or basics. This is a triangle. Tri means 3. 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles, right? The triangles are of 3 types based on the sides. Scalene, where all the 3 sides are unequal. Then isosceles, where 2 sides are equal. Then equilateral, where all the 3 sides are equal. This is the classification based on the sides. Now the classification based on angles. There are 3 types of triangles based on angles. You have already studied acute angle triangle where the angle is less than 90 degree. Yes. Second type of triangle is where the angle is 90 degree, right angle triangle. The third type of triangle is where the angle is obtuse angle, that means more than 90 degree. That means there are 3 types of triangle. One is acute angled triangle, second is right angle triangle and third one is obtuse angled triangle. Look at this triangle. You know the perpendicular bisector. Bisector means which bisects. Bi means 2. Which divides the triangle into 2 parts is called a bisector. Now to draw the bisector, we search for the midpoint of the side. Like in this triangle BC, the midpoint is this. Now when we join this midpoint to the vertex, we get a median. Mid in the median is the midpoint. We can get a median by joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Now talking about the second term, altitude. Altitude is basically the height of the triangle. Like we measure the height of a building taking the top and the base, in the same manner we take the top of the triangle and the base to measure the height of the triangle, which is called the altitude. The basic difference between median and altitude is that altitude is perpendicular to the opposite side, while median may or may not be perpendicular. If the median is perpendicular, then the altitudes and medians are same in a triangle. Let me explain this. Like if we draw the scalene triangle, the medians and altitudes are all different. While when we draw the isosceles triangle, one median and one altitude are same. While when we draw the equilateral triangle, when all the 3 sides are equal, all the 3 medians and altitudes are same. Altitudes is always perpendicular to the opposite side, but median can or cannot be perpendicular. Remember this point. The second difference is that median always divides the side into two equal parts, while altitude may or may not divide the side into equal parts. Have you got my point? If there is any confusion, any query or any doubt, you can write me on this number or on the given mail. I have explained altitudes and medians and the difference between them in separate two videos. The links are given in the description. One more difference between altitudes and medians is that altitude can lie outside the triangle. Like in an obtuse triangle, we measure the height of the triangle taking the top and the bottom. And this line lies outside the triangle, while medians always lie inside the triangle. One similarity between altitudes and medians is that there can be 3 altitudes and 3 medians in a triangle. The first one is try these. Write the 6 elements, that is the 3 sides and the 3 angles of triangle ABC. So let's draw the triangle first and name it as A, B and C, the 3 vertices. Now the 3 sides. These are AB, BC and CA. Triangles. One, 2 and 3. So angle ABC, this one, then angle BCA, this one, and angle BAC, this one. You can see the middle one, B, C and A. That means all the 3 angles are covered. Now the second one. Write the side opposite to the vertex Q of triangle PQR. So we have named the triangle PQR to solve the second question. The first part is we have to find out the side. So the side to the opposite of Q is PR. In the second one, angle opposite to the side LM of triangle LMN. Again rename LMN. You have to find out the angle opposite to the side LM. Clearly, the angle opposite to the side LM is LNM, this one. Now the third one. Rename the triangle RST. We have to find out the vertex opposite to the side RT. The vertex is, the side is this RT, the vertex is this S. Now the third one. Look at the figure and classify each of the triangles according to their sides and angles. The first one is isosceles because 2 sides are equal. Second one is scalene because all the 3 sides are unequal. The third one is again isosceles because 2 sides are equal. So this is the classification based on sides. The measurement is given and we can clearly see in the fourth one all the 3 sides are equal. So the triangle is equilateral. According to the sides, the fifth triangle is isosceles because two sides are equal. In the sixth one, according to the sides, the triangle is, yes, isosceles because two sides are equal. Now the classification based on angles. The first one is acute angled triangle because the angles are less than 90 degree. In the second one, we can see clearly that the triangle is right angled triangle because the angle is 90 degree. Students, you have to write in the same way. The third one, the triangle is obtuse angle triangle because the angle is more than 90 degree. The fourth one is equilateral triangle, and you know all the angles in an equilateral triangle are equal. So this is an acute angle triangle because all the angles are of 60 degree. Fifth one, obtuse angle triangle because the angle is more than 90 degree. I think the concept of acute, obtuse and right angle is clear to you. The sixth one, clearly we can see the right angle. So the triangle is right angle triangle because the angle is of 90 degree. How many medians can a triangle have? Let's draw the triangle and find out. I have already explained the concept of medians and altitudes. But when you have to write the answer in the exam, you have to draw the triangle and write the answer as a triangle can have three medians and the meeting point is called centroid. The three medians are AD, EC and BF. A triangle has three medians. The second one, does a median lie wholly in the interior of the triangle? If you think that this is not true, draw a figure to show such a case. So the first one was the equilateral triangle. Now I have drawn the scalene triangle, and we can draw the medians by finding the midpoints of the sides and joining the vertex to the midpoints. This is clear from both the triangles that medians lie wholly in the interior of the triangle. The first question is, how many altitudes can a triangle have? Let's find out by drawing the triangle. As I already told you that an altitude connects the vertex to the opposite side and is always perpendicular to the side. So it is an altitude. So a line connecting the vertex to the opposite side and is perpendicular to the side is called the altitudes. In this way, we can draw different types of triangles, and connecting the vertex and the opposite side, we can draw the altitudes. So in the first triangle, we will try another altitude connecting the vertex to the opposite side. It is also perpendicular. Then we can also draw the third one. So these are the three altitudes. They are meeting at the center point, which is called orthocenter. So we can have three altitudes in a triangle. A triangle has three altitudes. It is called the orthocenter, where the three altitudes meet. Now the second one, draw rough sketches of altitudes from A to BC for the following angles. The figure is given. I have drawn one altitude in the first one, acute angled triangle connecting the vertex to the opposite side and perpendicular to BC. Now in the second one, which is the right angled triangle, the side is same as an altitude, because you can see for measuring the height, we can draw a line from A to C, which is the same as the side of triangle ABC. In the third one, obtuse angle, we can take a point, the topmost point and the bottom, and we can draw an altitude which lies outside the triangle. So we have drawn the altitudes for all the three triangles, and in the third triangle, which is obtuse angle, the altitude is to the exterior. So this is the answer to the third one. Will an altitude always lie in the interior of a triangle? If you think that this need not be the case, and it is not true, as the altitude lies to the exterior of the triangle. Now the fourth one, can you think of a triangle in which two altitudes of a triangle are two of its sides? Let's find out. Let's draw a triangle and find out if the two altitudes of a triangle can be two of its sides. As you can see, I have drawn a right angle triangle. This is one side, this is the second side. If we measure the height of the triangle, we can draw the altitudes the same as the side of the triangle. The two sides are the altitudes of the triangle, so the fourth one is true, which says that the altitudes can be the same as the sides of the triangle. So it is possible in the right angled triangle. You will write the answer as yes, in a right angle triangle, two altitudes of the triangle are two of its sides. Now the last question, can the altitude and median be same for a triangle? Let's see, is it possible or not? I have drawn a scalene triangle where the three sides are unequal. Now I am drawing the altitudes. The second is the isosceles triangle where two sides are equal. Again, all the three altitudes. The third is the equilateral triangle where all the three sides are equal. Again I am drawing the altitudes. Now the medians. Medians connect the midpoint and the vertex. These are the three medians. You can see in the scalene triangle, the medians and altitudes are all different. Now let's see in the second triangle, isosceles. This is the first median, this is the second median, and this is the third median. You can see that the third median and the altitude are same. So we can say one median and one altitude are same in isosceles triangle. Now in the third triangle, this is first median, this is the second median, and this is the third median. We can see in the equilateral triangle, all the medians and all the altitudes are same. So yes, the altitudes and medians can be same for the triangle. Now starting your exercise 6.1. In triangle PQR, D is the midpoint of QR and PM is the altitude because it is perpendicular. PD is the median because it is joining the midpoint of the side to the vertex. So is QM equal to MR? No. It is a scalene triangle and altitude and medians are different. Median divides the side into two equal parts, but PM is the altitude. So the answer is no. QM is not equal to MR. Now the second question, draw rough sketches for the following. In triangle ABC, BE is the median. I have drawn the triangle ABC and now I have to draw the median. BE. Yes. So it is joining the midpoint of AC. In the second one, in triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. As I already told you that in right angle triangle, two sides are the same as the altitudes of the triangle. So I have drawn a right angle triangle PQR. PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle and also the sides of the triangle. Now draw another triangle in triangle XYZ. YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. You know that in an obtuse triangle, the altitude is not in the interior but to the exterior of the triangle. So I have drawn an obtuse angled triangle and now I am drawing the altitude, taking the vertex to the topmost and the point L where the triangle ends to measure the height of the triangle, which is the altitude YL. This question is complete. Now the next question. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be the same. So I have drawn an isosceles triangle with two sides equal. This is the first median, this is second, and this is the third median. Now the altitudes. First altitude, the second one, and this is the third one. The third altitude and the median are the same. So it is verified that median and altitude of an isosceles triangle can be the same. If you have any query or question, you can ask me via WhatsApp on the given number. Now we will talk about exterior angles. If we draw a triangle, some points are in the interior and some in the exterior. We can extend this line of triangle to draw one exterior angle. We can also extend this side to draw another exterior angle. So in this way, when two sides are meeting at a point, we can extend both these sides and we can get two exterior angles. So on each vertex of a triangle, we can get two exterior angles. Now this is a triangle. By extending this side, we have got this angle, which is an exterior angle. If we draw this line parallel to AB, then this angle 1 is equal to this angle X and this angle 2 is equal to this angle Y. Can you tell me how? If you have well understood the concepts of chapter number 5, you can easily tell how these angles are equal. Because this line is parallel to this line and this is a transversal. So these two angles are alternate while these two angles are corresponding angles. As when the lines are parallel, alternate angles and corresponding angles are equal. That means this angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. So clearly we can see that angle ACD is the sum of angle X and Y. But X and Y are equal to angle 1 and angle 2 respectively. So if we add angle X plus angle Y is equal to angle ACD or angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD. That means these two interior angles sum up to form the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle property of the triangles. The exterior angle is the sum of opposite two interior angles. You can understand this rule. No need to memorize the rules. If you understand the reason behind the rules, then you don't need to memorize anything. All the rules, all the properties will be scripted in your mind and you will never forget. So leave the habit of memorizing without understanding. Understand the fundamentals. If you understand the basics, you will get through the competitions and achieve your goals in future. Exterior angle can be formed for a triangle in many ways. Three of them are shown here in the figure. There are three more ways of getting exterior angles. Try to produce those rough sketches. So I am producing. This is a triangle, this is one exterior angle, this is the second exterior angle. That means on the same vertex we have two exterior angles. On the second vertex again there are two exterior angles and these are the next two exterior angles. On the same vertex we had two exterior angles. Now drawing the exterior angles in the given figures. Geometry is all about drawing. The more you draw, the more clear are the concepts. The first exterior angle, the second exterior angle. See, these angles are not drawn above. and it is the third one. Right? 1, 2 and 3. Are the exterior angles formed at each vertex of a triangle equal? Let's find out the second one now. The question is asking, are the exterior angles formed at each vertex? That's why I have underlined this point. So these are the angles formed at each vertex. Let's find out. Are they equal? Angle 1 is equal to the two interior opposite angles, angle B and angle C. In the same manner, angle 2 is also equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Angle 3 in the same manner, angle A plus B, angle 4, angle A plus B. So we can see that the measurement of both the angles constructed on the same vertex is same. That means the answer to this question is yes, the exterior angles formed at each vertex of a triangle are equal. If the question is like that, are the exterior angles formed in a triangle are all equal? Then the answer will be no. They are asking at each vertex, so the answer is yes. Now the third question, what can you say about the sum of an exterior angle of a triangle and its adjacent interior angle? Let's find out. If we extend one side to form an exterior angle, we can see that it is a straight line. Angle BCA and angle ACE form a linear pair, right? Because angle BCE is a straight angle which is equal to 180 degree and angle BCA and angle ACE are adjacent. What can you say about each of the interior opposite angles where the exterior angle is a right angle? Let's draw again. If the exterior angle is a right angle, what will happen? You can see in the figure, the exterior angle is 90 degree. So the interior opposite angles are acute. We can check it out, like the interior opposite angles can be 45 plus 45 is equal to 90, or it can be 50 and 40, it can be 30 and 60 and so on. Now the second one, if the exterior angle is an obtuse angle, let's draw the triangle obtuse angle. The first possibility is this, exterior angle is obtuse more than 90 degree. The second possibility is this one. Now the third possibility, when the exterior angle is obtuse. Both the interior opposite angles can be acute. It is the first possibility. Now the second one. One angle can be obtuse and another can be acute. Third possibility, one angle can be the right angle and another is again acute. Let's verify. First one, acute, they can be 71 plus 69 is equal to 140, that means the exterior angle is 140. Both the angles are acute, so they are less than 90 degree and they sum up to 140 degree. Another one obtuse, one acute, they can also sum up to 140 degree, which is an obtuse angle, exterior angle. The third one is right angle 90, another is 50 degree. They also sum up to 140 degree. If we assume that the exterior angle is 140 degree, because it is an obtuse angle, it can be 100, 110, 120 and so on. We have assumed it to be 140 degree. Now the third one, if the exterior angle is an acute angle. Let's draw the triangle again. Exterior angle is an acute angle. You can see it is less than 90 degree. If it is less than 90 degree, and as we know that the exterior angle is the sum of the two opposite interior angles, that means the two opposite interior angles must be less than 90 degree, so they are also acute angles. I have assumed it to be 50 degree. You can assume any angle less than 90 degree. Exterior angle is an acute angle, then the interior opposite angles are also acute because they can't be more than 90 degree, as the sum must be less than 90 degree, as the exterior angle is an acute angle. So it can be 25 plus 25, then 35 plus 15. If it is 80 degree, that means the exterior angle is 80 degree, then also it is acute. Then the sum can be 40 plus 40, 60 plus 20 and so on. Another question will be solved later. Now we will try these. An exterior angle of a triangle is of measure 70 degree and one of its interior opposite angle is of measure 25 degree. Find the measure of the other interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is of 70 degree and one interior opposite angle is of 25 degree. And as we know that the exterior angle is the sum of the interior opposite angles and one is known, we have to find out the other. Therefore, the unknown angle x will be equal to 70 minus 25 is equal to 45 degree. So the unknown angle is of the measure 45 degree. The two interior opposite angles of an exterior angle of a triangle are 60 degree and 80 degree. Find the measure of the exterior angle. We know again that the exterior angle is the sum of interior opposite angles. So the measure of the exterior angle will be equal to 60 plus 80 is equal to 140 degree. Now, is something wrong in this diagram? Comment. What do you think? The exterior angle is not the sum of the interior opposite angles. This is wrong. So you will write the answer as yes, the measurement of the exterior angle must be equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. This diagram is showing that the exterior angle is equal to one of the interior opposite angle, which is not true. Have you understood? Now we will start exercise 6.2. The first question is find the value of the unknown exterior angle in the following diagram. They are very easy. If you know the formula that the exterior angle is the sum of the opposite interior angles, you will add the interior angles and you will get the sum as the measurement of the exterior angle. The first one is solved. The second one, the unknown angle is x, that means the exterior angle is x. We will add the interior opposite angles and we will get the sum as the answer. You have seen that I have summed. The interior opposite angle to get the measurement of the exterior angle. 6 you can do in homework. After completing your homework, you can message me on WhatsApp or comment in the comment section. The WhatsApp number is given. You can connect on this number. Alternatively, you can write in the comment section also. Find the value of the unknown interior angle in the following figures. In the first one, the exterior angle is given. You have to find out the interior opposite angles. 115 degree is the exterior angle. It is the sum of the interior opposite angles. The unknown angle is x. You can find out this angle easily by knowing the exterior angle rule. In the second one also, you can do the same. X plus 70 degree is equal to 100 degree. So x is equal to 100 minus 70 is equal to 30 degree. Interior opposite angle is 30 degree. In the third one angle is given as 90 degree. Another is x. So we will add 90 plus x is equal to 125 and we will get the measurement of the unknown angle. The same method will be done in the fourth one to get the unknown angle. The measurement is 60 degree. Fifth one you can do in homework. Now the sixth one. X plus 35 degree is equal to 75 degree and x is equal to 40 degree. Now this completes your exercise. If you have any queries, any doubt, any questions, you can connect me on the given number. Now we will proceed. Now again talking about the interior of the triangle. Get inside the triangle again. This is a triangle. These are three angles, 1, 2 and 3, right? If we again extend this side, we again get the exterior angle. Exterior angle is the sum of two opposite angles, right? That means angle 4 is equal to angle 1 and angle 2. If we add 3 to both the sides, LHS, that means left hand side, and RHS to the right hand side, we can get angle 4 plus angle 3 and angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 addition. Now angle 3 and angle 4, what will be the sum? Look at these angles. You can easily see that this is a linear pair. Again from chapter number 5. The sum of the linear pair is equal to 180 degree, right? Because it is a straight line. These are two angles. That means these two angles sum up to 180 degree. So we can write 180 degree instead of writing angle 3 plus angle 4, right? So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. These angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, all three are interior angles. So we can say that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of the triangle. This is the continuation of the last part. We have already solved the first one. Now we will solve the second one. Can the exterior angle of a triangle be a straight angle? No. The exterior angle of a triangle cannot be a straight angle, as the straight angle measures 180 degree. It is a straight line. They are saying in the question that the exterior angle is a straight angle. That means it should measure 180 degree, which is not possible because of the two reasons. As the three interior angles of a triangle measure 180 degree and the exterior angle is the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So it must be less than 180 degree. If you have understood the concepts and rules till now, you can easily say that the exterior angle of a triangle cannot be a straight angle. You can easily write the reason. During exam, write the full answer and add the figures also, so that the examiner get the idea that you have understood the concepts well. The straight angle is of 180 degree and in a triangle all the three angles are of 180 degree. So the exterior angle cannot be of 180 degree, it must be less than, because it is the sum of only two angles. it must be less than 180 degree. This is the exterior angle and this whole angle is of 180 degree, right? So the exterior angle is less than 180 degree. This part is an exterior angle, this one. Angle A, angle B and angle C are interior angles. They are of 180 degree. Angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. That means it is less than 180 degree because angle A and angle B cannot be equal to 180 degree. These are only two angles. Now exercise 6.3. Find the value of the unknown angle X in the following. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of a triangle. So we can easily find out the third angle by adding all the three angles and the sum is equal to 180 degree. So the value of X will be 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. In the second one also, we can find out the value of X because one angle measures 90 degree, another is of 30 degree. The unknown angle will be equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. Now the third one. X plus 110 plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. So the value of X will be 180 minus 140 is equal to 40 degree. The fourth one. 2x plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. As both the angles are equal, so the value will be x and x. The value of x will be 130 upon 2 is equal to 65 degree. Each angle measures 65 degree and the known angle is of 50 degree. The fifth one, all the three angles are equal. That means the triangle is an equilateral triangle, right? So to find out the value of X, we can add all the three angles and the sum is equal to 180 degree. All the angles and all the sides are equal. So it is an equilateral triangle and all the angles of an equilateral triangle measure 60 degree. Now the last one. One angle is given as 90 degree. You can easily see. Another is of 2x measurement. We have to find out the value of x. And the last one measures x. That means two are unknown. By finding the value of x, we can get the values of the unknown angles. So 3x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. The value of x will be 30 degree. That means one angle is of 30 degree, another is 2x, that means 2 into 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Question was easy, right? Second question, find the values of the unknown x and y in the following diagram. In the first one, x is not known, y is not known, exterior angle is known as 120 degree. We will use both the properties. The exterior angle is of 120 degree. It is the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So the value of x is 70 degree. The value of y can be found out using the angle sum property of the triangle. That means x plus y plus 50 degree. The value of x is 70 degree. So we can easily find out the value of y, which is 60 degree. In the second one, vertically opposite angles y and 80 degree, right? Students, you have to be well versed with all the properties and all the rules. So go through the chapter number 5. The videos are given on this channel. If you know all the properties, then you can easily solve all the questions. We already know the value of y and we have taken out the value of x using the vertically opposite angle property and the angle sum property of the triangle. Now the third one, x is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles, 60 plus 30. And now you can easily take out the value of y, as y lies adjacent to x. It forms the linear pair. Another way to find out the angle sum property, two angles are known, you can easily find out the third. These are the two ways using which you can find out the value of y. So the value of y is 70 degree. Next part, fourth part. X will be equal to 60 degree as both are vertically opposite angles. Now the two angles are known, we can find out the third angle as all the angles sum up to 180 degree in a triangle, the angle sum property. X plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. One angle is already known. The value of x is 60 degree. We have to find out the value of y. Value of y will be 180 minus 90 degree. That means y will be equal to 90 degree. The next one, the fifth one. Again vertically opposite angles, y will be equal to 90 degree. We will use the same method to solve this part. Two angles are equal, 2x plus y. The value of y is known. Putting the value of y, we can find out easily the value of x, which is equal to 45 degree. Sixth one, the last one. Angle 1 is equal to angle x, angle 2 is equal to angle x, and angle y is equal to angle x, because all these are vertically opposite angles. These three pairs are vertically opposite. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of the triangles. Angle 1 is equal to angle x, so we can put the value of angle 1 and angle 2 and we can find out the value of x, as angle 1 is equal to x and angle 2 is equal to x. So the value of x will be equal to 60 degree. So angle 1 is 60, angle 2 is 60 and angle y is also 60. That means all the three angles are equal. That means all the three sides are also equal. The triangle is an equilateral triangle. Two angles of a triangle are 30 degree and 80 degree. Find the third angle. We can easily find out by angle sum property of the triangle. (30 degree plus 80 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So the value of x, that is the unknown angle, can be easily known. The value of x will be 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal to 70 degree. Now the second one of the angles of a triangle is 80 degree and the other two angles are equal. That means we can assume that the other two angles are x and x. So we can write it as x plus 80 degree. And this sum is equal to 180 degree. The three angles of a triangle, angle sum property. So the value of x will be 50 degree. That means the equal angles measure 50 degree each. The third one, the three angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:1. Find all the angles of the triangle, classify the triangle in two different ways. First of all, we will solve the first part of the question. The same property will be used here. 1:2:1. These are the three angles of a triangle. So we can write these angles as 1x, 2x, again 1x. That means two angles are equal. Is equal to 180 degree. So 4x is equal to 180 degree. The value of x will be 45 degree. First angle 1x is equal to 45 degree. 2x is equal to 2 into 45 is equal to 90 degree. Third angle 1x will again be equal to 45 degree. Two types of classification. This is the second part of the same question. On the basis of sides. If two angles of a triangle are equal, obviously the two sides are also equal. If the two sides are equal, then the triangle must be isosceles. Because in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. This is the classification on the basis of sides. Another classification on the base of angles. One angle is of 90 degree. That means the triangle is a right angled triangle. Next exercise, think, discuss and write. Can you have a triangle with two right angles? Yes or no? Let's find out. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If two angles equal to 90 degree, then the sum will exceed 180 degree, which is not possible. So the answer is no. We cannot have two angles measuring 90 degree in a triangle. The second one, can you have a triangle with two obtuse angles? Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. If we have two obtuse angle in a triangle, the sum will again exceed 180 degree. This is also not possible. So the answer is no. The third one, can you have a triangle with two acute angles? Acute angles are less than 90 degree. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If two angles, suppose, are 50 and 70 degree, and the third angle is of 60 degree, the sum will be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, the answer is yes. If two angles are acute, the third will also be acute, and it is possible that a triangle can have two acute angles. Now the fourth one, can you have a triangle with all the three angles greater than 60 degree? Let's find out. Suppose all the three angles are greater than 60 degree, that means they are of 65 degree, then the sum will be greater than 180 degree, which is not possible. You can take another example also. You can take 62, 68, 70, 75 and all. You will find the sum is greater than 180 degree. So the answer to this question is no. We cannot have a triangle with all the three angles greater than 60 degree. Can you have a triangle with all the three angles equal to 60 degree? Let's find out. All the three angles are of 60 degree. That means all the three angles are equal. 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree, and we already know that in an equilateral triangle all the three angles are of 60 degree. So the answer is yes. Can you have a triangle with all the three angles less than 60 degree? Let's find out the sixth one also. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Less than 60 degree, that means we can take 55 degree. The sum is 165 degree, which is not possible. The sum must be equal to 180 degree. We can take different angles less than 60 degree and the result will be the same. So the answer is no. These were the exercises 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3. The link to the exercises 6.4 and 6.5 is given in the description and you can see on the end screen. Stay tuned by subscribing the channel. If you have enjoyed the video and understood the exercises and the concepts explained in this video, like the video and share the knowledge with others. Apart from that, if you have any questions, any query and any doubt, please write the mail or WhatsApp on the given number. If you want to join online classes, just WhatsApp on the given number and fill the form given in the description. Bye-bye.